Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes. Today we will learn how to convert direct speech to indirect speech. It is one of the very important topic and in English grammar this topic is definitely asked and you will definitely get to know a lot in this video. So watch it till the end. So without a further go, let's get started. First of all, we should know what is narration. So when we are learning to change the direct speech into indirect speech, we should know what is narration first. Okay, narration is an act of reporting the word of a speaker. There are two main ways of report words of a speaker. First direct speech and second is indirect speech. किसी के द्वारा कहे हुए सेंटेंस को, उसके वाक्य को, शब्दों को कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति जब नरेट करता हो तो उसको हम उस सेंटेंस को नरेशन कहेंगे. ठीक है. देयर आर टू वेज. एक तो डायरेक्ट वे होता है और दूसरा होता है इनडायरेक्ट वे. डायरेक्ट वे, हाउ टू, व्हाट इज अ डायरेक्ट स्पीच? डायरेक्ट स्पीच इज actual words are quoted without any change, exact word of speaker enclosed in inverted commas. अभी मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल से बताती हूँ. वी विल लर्न फ्रॉम द एग्जाम्पल्स. योगेश said, comma, inverted comma, I am studying, inverted comma, close. Okay. So here, direct speech is I am studying. Yogesh said, I am studying. When we change this sentence into indirect speech, we could say, Yogesh said that he was studying, because Yogesh said about himself, I am studying. So we will change this I according to subject Yogesh. Yogesh is a boy and we will apply pronoun he for it. Okay. So Yogesh said he, and present tense will change into past tense. I'll further give you the rules. So present indefinite will change into past indefinite, present continuous will change into past continuous, like that. So I am studying is a present continuous tense. It will change into past continuous tense and the sentence will form he was studying. I think you understood, students. Let's see what are the changes you can see here. You can see changes of pronoun and changes of tense. In this sentence, present tense become the past one. Okay. And third things, what we change is conjunction. We apply the conjunction that in place of comma and inverted comma. So remember these changes. So when we convert direct speech into indirect speech, very first thing we do that removal of commas, second is changes of tenses, and third is use of conjunction. Getting? So what we learn that what exactly narration is. It is an act of representing the word of the speaker. So dear students, here we will learn 6 steps to convert a direct speech to indirect speech for statement or simple sentences. Okay, so first of all we have to identify. The very first step when we are changing the narration, we have to identify subject, object and reporting verb, tense and first, second and third person. I'll show you in what way you will identify it. In a sentence, you have to recognize first what are the subjects, what are the objects, which is the reporting verb, and in reporting verb, what kind of tense is there and how do we change it. In reporting verb, what kind of persons are there, pronouns, first person, second person and third person. And in second step is change of reporting verb. In change of reporting verb, we can change the verbs in this way. If in this sentence it is written like said to, it will convert into told. Said will convert into said itself. It will not change. Say to will convert in tell and says to will convert into tells. Okay, you should remember these things. If it is written there said to, Ria said to Sia. So said to will convert into told when we are changing the narration direct to indirect. In the same way, reported verb said is given there. No to infinitive is written there. So we have to remain it unchanged. Then if it is written say to, it will change into tell and says to will change into tells. Okay. Now third step is to replace inverted commas with that. Okay. These rule I think you all know. Then when we are changing the direction direct to indirect, we have to remove the inverted comma. In place of that, we have to add that conjunction. Now fourth step is to change of pronoun. Pronoun that we identify in the first step in the reported speech will be changed as follows. In what way we can change the pronoun? Just see. Like if the first person will be decided as subject, and second person will be decided as object, and third person will remain unchanged. It will not change. And you can remember these things as an acronymic SON: subject, object, no change. Okay. Now, fifth step is change this tense. In what way the tenses will change? In reporting speech. In reporting speech, if the sentence is given in present tense, it will remain change into past tense. If present indefinite tense will change into past indefinite tense. Present continuous is change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous tense. These are the rules for changing the tenses. And the same, if the tenses are of past tense, simple past tense or past indefinite tense, it will convert into past perfect tense. I will explain you with examples further when we'll go through the example. Now you should remember these things. Past continuous tense sentence will convert into past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tense sentences will remain same. It will not change. Students, once again, I would like to remind you that you should keep your notebook and pen along with you. You should write all these rules in your notebook. And when I give you sentences, you can easily solve it. Now let's see the next. If the reporting speech sentence is given in future tense, like the verb is given will or shall verb will convert into would and should. Modal verbs can may be in the can and may. Both will change into could and might. Okay. Now last step, sixth step is update time specific words. These all are the time specific words, like here. Here will change into there. Tomorrow will change into next day. Today will change into that day. Yesterday will change into previous day. These will change into that. Now change into then. Tonight change into that night. Okay. Just note it down, all these things in your notebook. In this video, we had learned what are reported verb, what are narrations, direct speech and indirect speech, and the sixth step formula of changing the narrations, direct speech to indirect speech. In next video, we will learn how to change direct speech narration into indirect speech along with the rules which we have learned. Thanks for watching.